Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mohit, and today we will discuss about application context. In my earlier video we have discussed about Bean Factory, which is an IOC container. Today we will discuss about another IOC container, which is application context. So let's start. Okay guys, in my earlier video we have seen that one object is created traditionally by us, and two objects are created by IOC container, and we are getting the employee details from this. You can see this from here. Now we will discuss more about Bean Factory. So in my employee Java file, I'm gonna do a sysso in the method here. And print object is constructed. So I'm gonna click on run. Now here we are getting this. First object is constructed by us and we are getting the details. Thereafter two objects are constructed by Spring Core container, that is the Bean Factory, and we are getting the details as this. Now if I comment this in my main core Java class, and I am just commenting this, and save. Now if I run this application, now see a difference. Here's the difference. Now the only traditional object is constructed, which is done by the developer, and we are getting the details over here. Why it is so? Because Bean Factory, in Bean Factory, okay, why so? It is because we didn't give the request to get the bean, and the Bean Factory didn't create an object for us. However, we have configured our bean.xml file, but the object didn't constructed by the Spring framework because we didn't request them to construct. So if I uncomment this and save the file and again run the application, what will we see? We see that again the object is constructed by the Spring Core container, that is Bean Factory. So the object is only constructed if we have request them to construct using getBean. Okay guys, now we will discuss another IOC container, which is known as application context. So let's take a look. We will write application context equal to new class path XML context, and write here to bean.xml. So earlier we are using the factory, rather saying the factory, we will use now the context, context. Okay guys, now we will comment this and also comment this. Okay, now save the file and run this application. Now see what we are getting. We are getting one object constructed by the developer here, which is the traditional method, and two objects are constructed by the IOC container application contains. So we are getting the same result, but here we are getting we will see one difference, major difference. So guys, if we comment this, and run the application again, here it is. What we see, we have seen that in Bean Factory, if we are not if we haven't gave the request to the get Bean Factory, then there are object is not constructed by the Bean Factory. But in the case of application context, although we are not giving the request to the Bean, it is creating the object for us. So in this way we have talked about two types of IOC container. One is Bean Factory and another is application factory. In Bean Factory, object is constructed only if we request them, and in application context we can get object constructed if we are not requested them. So application context is built on top of the Bean Factory, and so guys, in this way I hope that you are getting the basic understanding of these two application contexts. Thank you.